está. Oh, ahí viene el 12 cilindri.
Yo, sto
Check this out, guys. That's Ferrari's newest supercar. That's the 12 cilindri. So this car is a naturally aspirated V12 that is replacing the A12 Superfast. Wow. I'm not gonna lie, it looks better in person. Check this out, guys. We have the Ferrari A12 Superfast parking right next to the 12 cilindri. What a combination of V12 Ferraris. And I think I heard this correctly, that there is a puro sangue that's coming, that is on its way, and it's probably gonna park here. So it's gonna be 12 cylinders, 12 cylinders, 12 cylinders, and 12 cylinders. All right, you guys, check this out. Which one do you guys like best? Do you think the A12 looks better than the 12 cilindri? I mean, the 12 cilindri in person looks very nice. It has a really nice styling, but I mean, you can't beat the A12 Superfast. The A12 Superfast has such an amazing design. Ladies and gentlemen, the Puro Sangue has arrived. Check this out.
Yeah, that's right. That's the store right there.
This is Ferrari's only SUV at the moment. And it's actually funny because all of these cars right here have the exact same engine. They share the exact same displacement as far as engine. The only difference is that this one is a mid-engine, this one is a front mid-engine, this one is a front engine, and the Superfast is also a front mid-engine. All of these cars right here have a 6.5 liter naturally aspirated V12. That one has around 830 horsepower, 820, 790 if I'm not mistaken, and 790 as well. I'm surprised by how quiet it is, honestly. I was expecting it to have that, you know, a little bit louder exhaust, but I'm pretty sure it's stock. You know, they're all coming from the Ferrari dealership. Damn, check that out.
Sam?
Woo. What's better than one SP3? Two SP3s. Man, look at that interior right there. Jesus.
No, go straight back. Just go straight back. Turn a little bit. Other way, other way, other way, other way. It's